Hi everyone and welcome back. We are so excited to have you all back in our digital classrooms and welcome to week 1 and Earth Day module. This little video is just going to help talk you through how to get to all the different features of this module. As you noticed at the top, it has a welcome information and tells you what to read. If you click this blue button here as you go through, it will read all the screen directions to you. So if you need that, feel free to click it as you go through. In addition, each of the modules will kind of be broken up with objectives and what we're going to look at for the week at the beginning to explain what you will be doing. And then it will walk you through different steps of the module on different pages. So for example, it has the objectives and essential question at the beginning here, followed by kind of an overview of the different activities that you will be engaging in, details about what actually you're going to be doing and links to those activities, and then about how long it should take you. So this first module is only going to take you about an hour and 15 minutes to work your way through as you do each of the activities. And it'll start with the engage section. It's going to start you off by having you watch this video. You'll notice there's a link here for successful habits to online learning. That's something that you can look at as well. It's not part of the module, but it may help you as you're getting started with all your new classes. After you finish this first engage section, you'll notice there's a next button at the bottom. You can go back and forth throughout the module, but you should complete each section in order to help you with the final task. If you click the next button, it'll take you to the next section, which says Explore. The section's a little bit longer. It'll take you about 20 to 25 minutes. It'll ask you about, it'll show you a video about the first Earth Day, carbon footprint calculator, and then the Action Hub, which will give you some ideas. And then again, you'll notice the next button on the bottom corner. You'll click there. This page is an explain page. It asks you to think about what you've learned, look at these ideas here, and then to create a Padlet. You do that simply by clicking that. You give it a title, which should be your name, and then you write your ideas to respond to the prompt that's listed above. It's as simple as that, and then you can scroll through and look at everyone else's ideas as they go. Down here where it says elaborate in the section, you apply knowledge to what you've gained. So what you'll do is you'll look through everyone else's Padlets above, think about what stood out to you, and re-contribute based on that. And then finally, our last activity for this one is to share a discussion with your ideas and what you've learned. To post in a discussion if you haven't done one before, all you have to do is click this reply button here. You won't be able to see anyone else's responses until you have replied to the main prompt, and then you can see other students' answers and you can respond to a classmate. Hope this was helpful. So excited to have you all back. Welcome back.